You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Hawaiian word from Hawaii or Hawaii. Let's break it down, the correct way to pronounce it. If you want to learn more Hawaiian, stay tuned, I've got more for you coming up. Aloha is how it's pronounced. Aloha. Alright, it's not aloha. Now, in English, indeed, it is accepted that it's pronounced aloha with a low sound, like there's a W there, but it's actually aloha. Aloha. So it's a more open A sound, not an sound. Aloha. But in English, yes, indeed, it's generally considered aloha. I mean, if you go to Hawaii and you say aloha, people won't notice. But if you say aloha, well, you'll sound a bit more local, a bit more genuine. Aloha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.